Hi, this is news. Meba Owusu Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwa and every day. Premo. I mean, so when you subscribe, you are say over subscribe. What you are say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. Where you video be uploaded. When the first person I was at the ASRB, I feel so we are now like if you give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer so now when you be here now and some also ever Ghana memoir. I feel you share a year and someone a better your promotion. A year and someone 8 years away.
Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo is making noise and backing. Akufo Addo is backing because he thinks to say Ghana for Jimmy, we don't remember things. And they be me we say NPP for almost sorry, almost Mahama say your short memory. Mahama say your short memory a yampa. Nanke any short memory anka say and the Ghana any sanke your president. Sanke short memory ne wa anka say and the Ghana etino any sanko bia etie Bawumia. Enya short memory ne wa anka NPP 2020 nanke ni say Ghana ni bia koto abama no. But Ghana for do na ejimi nti na 2020 onkoto abama NPP. Enti se yaka say Ghana for do no short memory. It is true. Now, Nana Danko Akufo Addo Ababontia bekasa afa Agyapong, and I want to say this to you. Osi Agyapong na ye nyina yate no, fictitious. Eye nipa bi ena akweden akokeka nsem bi abom ena saa nsem no ye de ba beto ono ne party so no ono de ohu ne se eye NDC for in just 1 week. 1 week. Nipa na nanim da Agyapong book ne so no wakasa. Tie. In just 1 week.
Watching juicy news on YouTube.
Oh, here na nanim da Agyapong book ne so no.
Watching juicy news on YouTube.
Wakasa.
Hot news all time.
Gabby Otchere da ko a oye kromfu tetwe amoaboaten owo Ghana. Eye nipakum ne nkwasiade ekoso a oye achimni a sebi wegu achimfo anim ase a oye ewi no ono so akasa. Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo oye president na ono na di sebi achimfo ni bi anim mo mudi nkwasiasem wo Ghana no ono so akasa busa ho se adentra. Eye ebu akwa hene a bronze hye ne sim a o se ye ne maame no ya beifo on de ne maame nye beifo o se book no 2012 de kyerɛ na menim se na o ho ne kyerɛ book no so at least ebu akwa hene na nanim da book Agyapong book no wa magana fo nyina ate ase se onim time a kyerɛ book no that means he knew the book had existed before this John became president. Enti yani atia no krampo no ne anim mpo se the book no existed around 2012 abedu 2016 18 19 20 22 24 enti omwankasa hene no ene bie na no ka se book no na wo hodada he failed to tell us the portrait book no ba onimsa na book no ho na mbese mbusa Ghana for say Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo ende ogina ho eka AGYAPADIE book a ose ontiase na eye asama NDC for eka to no so no oya Ghana ni a oje Akufo Addo di moma enkotie eye toy president no ene de okaya ewia na medwudwom ama Ghana for ehu de ekọ.
In the run up to the 2008, 2012 and 2016 presidential elections, and Madam Sani, I'm not here to settle scores. I was the target of numerous false and malicious stories aimed at attacking my credibility and integrity. In 2008, baseless allegations of drug trafficking were spread, along with numerous rumors about my health intended to cast doubt on my ability to serve as president. President Kufuor was also accused in 2008 of having sold all of Ghana's gold reserves. Again, the 2012 election saw false reports of my alleged arrest in London for drug possession and fabricated quotes designed to stir ethnic tensions. In 2016, it was alleged by sympathizers of the opposition that I had killed my late wife. Today, with a few months to the December 2024 elections, they are at it again. A fabricated document entitled AGYAPADIE is being peddled around by operatives of the opposition as evidence of a grand scheme by my party to annex the assets of the state. These experiences underscore the importance of discerning truth from falsehood and the need for all of us to remain vigilant against the dangers.
You are watching Juicy
So
News on
this
YouTube.
is
Hot news
the toy
all time.
president of Ghana. Or say, Nkofo kan sama fa no ho bebre. Amanfo so ne ku ne yere. Amanfo so no kra na ne ho nya den, ontumi nya den endi president. Na amanfo bi so no wi, okeka boso no onom. Amanfo keka nsem bebre kra fa akofo ho. Se ase kofo aton Ghana gold nyina. O ti san nsem ankofo kafa ne ho nyina besi ndene ne nyina na ye NDC fo ne kan ye. Enti because ansem nyina anya no kore no se nde wo ye Ghana ni na se wo hu se book bia ba na book no de ewom no ano enam chen Yesu Kristo kra de Yesu Kristo ensam o kan ya manji book ni ndi oji sa jimijimi wedi o se de because ensam o keka kire ye se NDC ka to ne so nti o se sa wo kai se NDC ka asam to ne so a de se book no de ewom bia manji ndi even though no de wo book ni mu bia ebe mu no o se manji ndi because yeso ne ku ne yere evidence ni wo because you say ono no num wi also no na medical marijuana because you say ono na oyare why bypass mienu na ontimi di president we di president o say ka se kofo akowia Ghana gold ni nyina na enya no kore ni nyina ye bosremu ka NDC for ka enti ye nyina ye wo Ghana no say yehu agyapade book no na say yehu de ewom na ye de ani atofom from 2017 obedi president oni ne busuafo ene ne hene a galamsey odi afa na motuom eda galamsey atachem no ose saa nyoma ni nyina nti se yehu saa bukune na ya kan a ya adwene ye adwuma yehu se ni nyina ebemu no ose even though de wom nyina ya no kure mama ye njindi akwawo na kacho se city na ye hanta okofa Bawumia ba amane de city na free 3 akọ 1 saa tichidie we gina wonim se de wo edien agyapade bukuru manjindi achichidie we na catch us obesi 350 senior high schools or Ghana nyina in 1 year 8 years ni onsi kuraba sa achichidie we sa agina woni mu catch us say ai agyapade book na da ono manjindi achichidie we na catch Ghana for say Ghana ye wo no sika yeti sika so ekom de ye achichidie we 7 to 8 years ni achichidie we and the Ghana for the betoduane di krebi ni ho o se de okan no sa ansem no okan no ebe sinde no enti we no okan ginidi achichidie we eko around the whole Ghana eka kire Ghana for say or the bibia fe na the Ghana beyond 8 yankwa abrochire mbebo besia biem achichidie we after 7 years wabo besia close to 1 trillion Ote Ghana osi o even though book na da wenim no de wom bia ebem enso manjindi oji achichidie we di achichidie we ka kire wo say Ghana no see the president ni be shedi nsema onya family and friends every time Mahama nua ba akopɛ ene wo Mahama aban mu na one de oba na busuani ba akompo and then busuafo 55 ni nua Ofori Atta eya Gabby eye ne busuafo and then ne ba akɔgye de eye ambulance contract almost $40 million. Papa ne say atichidie we ka kire wo say sa nyoma hu no bukrim no ono de o ka kire wo nyina besi nna na wendi so no se we hu de obukrim na se de obukrim no ebe bukura manjindi atichidie we na ka sa asam ne kire wo atichidie we gina we nim ka kire wo say oba besi 88 hospitals agenda 111 ade chi o so wo de 23 abeka ho ebe si nne onsi hospital baako achichidie we ka kire wo say agyapade book na wo wako school kakra kenkan e de atoto nyoma bi hu ehu se no kore no ni nyina wo mu no o say no manjindi uja achichidie we di achichidie we e ka kire mo Ghana for say se moto abama na obeye president a odi ade bi ba ye friend Darko Ghana for mbebunu 100,000 omu nyina benya adwuma emo afa bia ka ho ebesi nne ya pam omu nyina obia mpo enya adwuma ebesi nne atichiri we say even though we twa was atro no agenda eye de agyapade book na ono ne hene enim da so no manji de wo mundi even though utumi kenkan ehu de esi no atichide we say manji ndi wako school unko school ya kenkan akire de wom omo angasa hene na waya galamsey e de afa de to ho na ote ho no o si 2012 da book ni by 2012 no na NDC for no mo kire no mo kire say omo mfa free power ana mo kire ma MPP aba power na say NDC for krampo na kire ya and say NDC no omo prophet papa wom and the NDC political party na onyame na eyi omo fi say omo hu 8 years or 10 years ahead because ade bia ewo book ni mu bia no ewo ho inji say achichide we begire we ka kire say disregard the book. Men jindi every se obi ka asam fa ho. It does not justify said the book no enya no kre. Se obi ka asam fa ho a. Se sebio obi ka se Yesu onya agenkwa. It does not mean say Yesu nya agenkwa. Se obi etuntosiogu Yesu Kristo so. Yesu Kristo asem kan na okan so obi anje ndi those times are. It does not mean Jesus Christ is not the Son of God, and it does not mean he did not die to save mankind. What you believe in does not change the fact to say the book is a fact. Every single thing in the book is true. Actually, we Jimmy and abema chichidie we abeka chira will say book na wa kan na wa wudi we ni atoto form ehun say the book rimu nyina abem menjindi atichidie we oni certificate o atichidie we ka so akọ law school ye ka so uncle for the certificate mra o say ayira atichidie we for almost be 80 years on to me provide a certificate or chess or a lawyer atichidie we say the wo kan no menjindi. I am being realistic. I am trying to let you see nipa na ogina we nim no Nana Addo Kweku Addo does not have any credibility. He's a disaster as a president. He's full of lies. Akufo Addo from day one, his political career has been full of lies. Himself, or Nwankasa as Akufo Addo, he's a walking lie.
News on YouTube.
It is all a Ghanaian. Why should you pay attention to this tortoise?
Hot news all time.
Akufo Addo achichidie. Odin kwasese na obode chipe na odiniti akohyem o se I didn't see. Akufo Addo adekudie ntia me so oya achichide ne se odin kwasiasem na oka se hey wadi kwasiasem na waka ne ti akohyem na waka ne to akohyem na o sha menem o so we hu. This is how a tortoise behaves. Your boni patuo wa ya waso West Wagon yete commission your boni patuo 2020 elections o se wakɔhye ne kura mu ante abuwo funu. He has a tortoise life style. Akufo Addo or your political tortoise. Now you're Ghana Nina atichidie we ka asamakyerɛ se menjindia oso bejedi. Nobody should take this guy serious. He is a walking contradiction. He is the epitome of lies. Akufo Addo we di atrobon bonyono or your bonsam on kanokre. Agyapadiye book no e omo no kyerɛ. He knows in the space of just a week omo nyina akromfo ni nyina babontin said they are speaking on the book adintra every summer meeting. Eno maka se yankoka book we hu asem ambre na sia enkofo no ebete yeto eno ntina wate Gabby eno ntina wate ohene galamsey hene no eno ntina nda wate Akufo Addo mo akọ meeting wo chebi emo mo hu se Ghana fo hu omo to ema achichidie we aba bekeka nkwase asem na ya nyina ye jai de ye yes Akufo Addo de oka de nyansa wo mpa o ene book no ye nkan biem nti ye nyina ye nkoto ntwene Nana Addo Akufo Addo Bema waware 9 wekum bi ni ade uji achichidie wedi. The mere fact is obi aka asema fa ho does not mean say wabokro no ame enchewo enye no kore. No. The way they think, it tells you the kind of people they are. Omo readi mu ache hu se mo agimi. Omo readi mu ache ehun se Ghana for mo agimi. From Otchere you will see Peace FM. Openyine jekum. Ube Kwame Sefa kan mo. Alote Jacobs omo hu fin, omo to ase fin. They will come and sit there and say, "Oh, President Liz, asamna no wakan buki obey yenti wansam infantini afrena alote ye infant for yenjimi yanka kwasia we eden the friend infantini asamna Liz yenyim dan ni sifo no waye na openya Jakum so aba oba na ode nkwasia be ebe defend nkwasia sam oba betena ho ene asam we de wonam he koka openya Jakum so betena ho na ode nkwasia be e defend nkwasia sam oba ena kwa me bibia boko abenden na yesi president so abekasa afa buki ya yesi Agyapadiye buki kwa me ewiase de wa wonim yesi wankasa wotiri ho ayiyibone na president aga say de wa abenden emom Ghana ne yeto no yenyina ye kyekyere Ghana mom yenya abotre ne yenkyekere sene yesebio obi betuma kofa nwoma bi atro e de ato nipa bi so yenim bebi afiri baaye yentumi so ntena Ghana nkasa nwoma yi kyenkyene a Akufo Addo na busuafo efiri se mene wotie Kwame mpenfo beka yesi okobi achichidie kobi yesi osono otwe ankokora ne wonam kɔ ebia emrantie bi na hyedam ana sebio omakeka nsɛmasieni mientumi ntina ha because mpenfo beka Kwame yengyina nkran ne mu ntete nkran ne nkwasiabe no ogina nkwasiabe echi na odi defending kwasiasam kwame intimidie my penyina me wa ha yi asema president ne kan ye kan ye se penyini de ote fie mante na se penyi su dware na nsu asa de metuma ka fa won ne se ye nyira ye ni motwam de apokwa me ebo asase nipa bia ni wa ne hotene na na dodan Kweku Addo bia nim de wa ye free SHS wa ya ende ukobe kurasi a omu nyina anya school akọ enkyere se ye ntumi nka ne ho asem nanso ye ntumi sebio entwa asem bi ensfan show bi ye nyina ye tikrom ha mpenifo na ka o masem obebu nkwasiabe okaba akumienu no obu nkwasiabe no the defending nkwasiasam ochena from ochena ko adakabre eye den opanyina jakum ko omuguguti radio so enkwasiasam omu be defending moasem we ebe nkwasiabe ene de Ghana bedu nkwasiabe book chia na chia kwame intimidate de metuma aka no na goku ba ku gina ho ayeso act movie na alote jeko ne num kan kwame dan ka peteshini no omo tetan mo ho odem wo ehwa yesunkum peace for mo ehwa yesunkum no wogum de ntwe omo be defending kwasiasem omo mu kudem wo nyina 15 years omo nyina ewu I am opening your eyes to the facts. In Ochena penya jukum beba. And the president take say, "Oh shit, the president can." Eya semia, eye ne yapa na emom. Na na dan Kweku Addo oye penyini wa ye kakra obeya boa Ghana. De bia me ka kire mebunu se ne omkasa abufuo so edi mpenifo atam. Ye see obi na ebeka say ye de wo na endeme. Na emom ye mpenifo e wo ha die. Asema president akan die, me metuma ka kire kwame. Yesi usuma berwa baby okwo wuada de emfa ho na emom anke beka se MPP de nko mokọ e de opposite Akufo Addo na nka ekọ Bawumia de nim se ono ne eye yewura mahama na omoba ekọ akansie ni nyina no eye MPP na wo hye adwuma MPP aye na nka me de me hunu se MPP fo krampo de saa huma we na nka ni se omoma madwene kọ na nka omo ka nyoma pa omaye kwame hwe adwuma Akufo Addo aye ende na nsia ye so akofa eye de excavator painting wa besi Independence Square cheche ese Akufo Addo free SHS aba o kan o ye campaign fem o kan na se ne ho ba ne ho so kwame ende obi anim impenifo na skan ye de bia impenifo na kan ye saa impenifo ya na ton ye nananom ede ma abrofo impenifo ya o Ochena openya jakum beba Akufo Addo nkwasasem wei omba besoso so omde nkwasiabe unim nkwasiabe unim de nkwasiabe betuma ayew openya jakum omde Ghana bro papa I'm telling you and they know the tribalism is omkasem omunim ebe a omubu ededa nipa amasa se na enye nkwara asa wo yani enye nda na yewu yewu yani ye teacher ne Mr. Fosuo time ye si so no ne yesua twi ni bi nti enim de ekọ onyame dom nti no ma nyine wasantememu sa wo kan Agyapadiye book na now we Ghana ni a this part of the book what does it say Otchere sorry ebuakwa hene ma nisi sumina so ebuakwa hene ne kan ye o se book ni 2012 the buy nipa mo kire book no say although the Asante group within the current NPP is gearing itself to take over the party after Nana's tenure in 2024, it will be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. Or see, Nana dan Kweku Addo enche obefra be mu 2024. Book we ebuakwa hen say 2012 na bae. Den no mu say de onyine besi. Book ne say 2024 Nana dan Kweku Addo na wedi na aban ewie. Na asantefo no mo party no be pese mo beje party no afa. Omo be pese omo be contain party de so. Na omo pese ye fa ekwan bi so na asantefo no ne omo ahemfo no ye twa omo bo. Ye ka se ye twa wabo a e de se wo ye carpenter wo da epona no obi aba otia wo so ekodem e je se ye twa wabo. Omo se omo be twa eye asantefo na bo. Na omo wo ekwan bi omo be twa asantefo na bo. Okọ de omo kan omo say it would be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With the hard work, we could work to pass the mantle over to a non-Akan person. Say, idea was some ye nyina say, I was say Akufo Addo free sono. When you book a achim for kakra no tro you. Answer Akufo Addo free 24 no. I was some making sure said kian king. I was say a yedian nipa obeshe Akufo Addo nine no. Eni se oya santini. I was say oya teni. And nuntina omoko primaries no. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng upon everything that he did. Omo making sure say omo twane film. Omo yi Kennedy bodamni no because Nana Addo dan Akufo Addo ne hene no ene ne busuafo no chiro book 2012 say in 2024 no primaries no de be mateni because 10 no mo betuma hye so o kan de aka na omo say under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project. Into omo say to me the eyedien flag bearer na ematenia because no wedding ken omo so be yiteni Akufo Addo time omo chobuku no no mo prepare Bawumia so be Akufo Addo teni because omo say 2024 no asantefo no ne omo ahemfo no be page omo mu say omo pe party no but omo nim say asantefo no bi adwene wo fom into omo betwa omo abo na omo de tumi na mateni sene be ya omo betumi ayeden atena chire na omo atwetwe Ghana se koliko na sika omo wia no omo tumi de ayeden a control Ghana. Bookway, Ebuakwa Hene Kachere said 2012 near Tron, one a Troy.
You waiting for because this news so and I will have no. So we now subscribe or more say over subscribe. Now one like it, now feel so what share video ama of so now what there. Also bet me Otchere what you have here and some way now I will comment box over to in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.